Send me your love. I'ma need love. I'ma need love. Yeah.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren, and today we are doing a travel vlog. We are going to Tulum. I'm so excited. We are going for Diana's. She's not looking, but we're going for Diana's 25th birthday. I'm so excited to celebrate with her and some of my other friends, which right here is the area, Katie area. And some of Diana's other friends will be there as well, so I'm really, really excited. We are sitting in the Charlotte airport. We just got some food. Well, we'll probably eat on the plane. Got some hot bellies. We're about to board to Cancun, and then I will see you guys at the gate on the flight, and probably will be actually at the resort.
I'ma need you to love me. I'ma need you to put up all your hands. Dance when I tell you dance, and put nobody above me. Love me when you out. Tell them play me, I'm that jam. Tell the world that you a fan and scream as loud as you can. Love me under these flashing lights. I'll be the one that rap at night. Till all my peers start acting right. I'll be that human sacrifice for you and you and you. And when it's all over, we can say we came through this shit together. I just wanna do as dope as I can and tell the world how I feel to be me. I remember being 14.
Alright, this is the room. Got 2 queen beds. Here is the bathroom. Hola. Shower. Look at this. Love how it's glass shower, toilet, and whatever that is. And then what else we got? We have this area, this beautiful window. And then, of course, this is the best part of the room. Always gonna be outdoors. Alright, so out here has a jacuzzi. And look at this, y'all. You can actually see the ocean. Very beautiful. I'm actually gonna hop over this. Oh, y'all, there go my ring light. Ah, there go my ring light right there. I'm gonna hop over this with the camera. Ooh, ah. Yes, I am. Gotta get the ring light in. Show y'all. Got the ring light. Okay, here it is, y'all. It's not a beach, but it's like a shore, but look. Look at that. This is gonna be a great picture spot, don't you think? Yeah, for sure. All right, well, I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do next right now. I'm kind of hungry, a little tired, but more so hungry, so probably get something to eat. And yeah, Kore Tulum. Welcome, or I don't know. I don't know a lick of Spanish, y'all, but adios, amigo. Or amiga. This is like our second time ordering. Okay. We done ate so much. So this is a cheesecake, supposedly.
It ain't even cheesecake. Tell me something and I don't know.
Parmesan cheese. So new take on cheesecake. If y'all see me in this outfit tomorrow, mind your business, because we thought we were gonna go for a little night swim. No, we're not. It's definitely dinner time. We're kind of out of dress code, but whatever. So yeah, probably gonna be wearing this tomorrow. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. First night dinner, not feeling it. But I'm gonna be grateful because I'm still in Tulum. But yeah, I'm cute though. But yeah, the food, I didn't even show y'all. I had like some fish. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I ain't gonna lie, I'm hungry. All right, y'all. So, we just ate. Ah, this wind is like, these lashes, it's so much. I think tonight is just gonna be inside. So yeah, everything so far has been cool. I mean, we're in Mexico. I cannot complain. So yeah, if I do make some more videos for tonight, I'll let y'all know. But I think this is it for technically day one. So signing off. Oh, this is so cute. I feel like a hijabi princess with my, look at the cuties in the back. All right, bye. Good morning, guys. It is our second day in Tulum. I slept like a baby. We didn't go to bed till like 2 or something like that. I don't know if y'all can hear me because it's loud, but we're just going to get some coffee, something light. Oh, look, it's a koi pond. See the koi fish? That's kind of cool.
Nah, not really. No. Well, can I try it? Cause I'm tired of being tired. Watching other ones who got it. Watching other ones who profit. Watching other ones who poppin'. They got love inside their pocket, man. What you think I rap for? If I can't get it free, then you frontin', I choose the back door. While other ones keep looking and laughing, I'm trying to stack more. My focus on this jugging with passion, I gotta have more. You know me, this love. One hella powerful drug that turned a boy to a thug. Can't even tell what he was. It turned a girl to a slider, and she gonna sit in this club and she gonna drink till a buzz. Here ain't no peace, want a whole piece. If you cheap, you a slow leak. They gon' want beef. That's how it is until the day that you gone. You don't know why, but give it all to be on. Tell her mama need love.
I didn't look at her hard.
This is the outfit of the day. It's like a swim, but I'm wearing it as an excursion. So we're going, not ceviche, I keep saying it, it's another Spanish word for like cave. Hold on, I'm gonna flip it, y'all. Another Spanish word for cave, ziplining, ATV, and something else. So I'm excited. I'm excited to ride. I've never drawn an ATV before, so yeah. I'll see y'all where we're going. Okay. All right, y'all. So we are here where they do the Cenote. What is it called?
Cenote?
Cenote, zipline, and ATV and stuff like that. And I'll see what I can show you guys because I'm kind of scared to. Kind of scared to pull out the camera because I don't want to lose it or drop it. All right, well. All right, we're good.
Hi guys!
So,
Hello, vlog.
Hey.
We just completed our first excursion.
Yes.
And it was nothing short of amazing.
That's the most fun I've had in a long time. Like, I really enjoyed that. Like, oh shit, I mean, shoot. We probably did it, we probably ATV through the jungle, forest, whatever you want to call it, for about 30, maybe 45 minutes. It was so much fun. Totally would do again. Now we're about to zip line, and yeah, I'm excited, so let's get to it. So we're getting ready for zip line. I know the dust in my eyelashes, y'all. I didn't even realize. So yeah, we're getting strapped up. Got our things. Don't see. Oh God. Y'all, I'm not even gonna try to get video going down the zip line because I'm already kind of nervous as is. So I'll see y'all.
All right, just sit down. Out and she'll ride it. Are you ready? 1, 2, go. Privado falso.
Falso. Llegamos por su cuenta nada más. Well up. Hola, amiga.
We're about to have lunch, and now, yeah, it's about to be a good time. I got my food. I had so much fun. I couldn't show y'all the cave, but it was amazing. Really good. There's no meat in here, right? We're about to eat lunch, and then we're gonna head back to the resort. Yeah, that's everything so far in this adventure. I'll see you guys back at the hotel. We're going to the Nest tonight, but I had so much fun. I don't know what the name of this place is. It looks like this though. I don't know what the name of this place is. All right, I'll see y'all later. Look at this food. They got meat in the bag for they're gonna make steaks. They got that's so pretty. It's very pretty. Set up. Nice. Oh, and then that's ice cream?
It's crepe. Yes.
Oh, crepe. Okay.
Yes.
I'ma need love. I'ma need your love. Your love. I'ma need 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 love.
Oh my gosh. 2 restaurants later. No, I'm kidding. 1 restaurant later. We went to the wrong place initially. We were trying to go to, we went to the Nest, but it's those Nest type restaurants in Tulum. And we went to the wrong place. So we had to get another cab to another place. And all this, we finally made it at the end of the day. Actually a different location, but same concept. We finally made it, and I'm just so tired from all the steps. Like, I'm exhausted. My legs are tired, especially with the activities that we did earlier. Let me tell y'all something about Tulum. Tulum is like Vegas, a Mexican Vegas in the jungle. It is trees and sand everywhere, and it's humid, and I'm not complaining. It's just like, you gotta be ready for that. A jungle. You're essentially in a jungle. So note to self. But all right, y'all. I'm gonna order my food. I look so cute. We're doing a brown theme. That's what Deanna wanted to do. So yeah, I will show y'all when I get my food. There we go.
What'd you get? Oh yeah, that was well.
Veggies and mashed potatoes.
Okay, y'all, let me tell y'all something about Tulum. Tulum is not heel friendly. Let me repeat that. It is not heel friendly. Y'all saw that boardwalk I just went on and the sand? Don't wear heels, there's no point. Just wear some cute flats. Like, don't even. Look at the sand, y'all. Look at the sand. I'll reiterate this, but y'all. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna go back to the hotel. The food was amazing, but these walks, oh my calves, oh my gosh. Okay. so it is like day 3 or something like that. We just got finished eating breakfast. As you saw, it's 11:32. We have a boat appointment at 2:30. So I think we're just gonna chill, you know, dip our feet in the pool or go to the little store that they have. Just, you know, relax a little bit before the boat because it's kind of far getting there. And also we gotta conserve energy. And honestly, I'm a little tired from yesterday. Like my body is kind of sore. Like I feel like I did core exercises. I think that was from the zipline position. We are going to a boat, not a yacht.
The yacht girlies.
Ooh. All right, but yeah, so Deanna got us a private, I don't even know all the details,
It
but
is I believe
come on.
like a 55-foot sea rate yacht.
All right, y'all, so are we gonna just sit in the lobby for a minute?
Yeah.
All right, so we're just gonna sit in the lobby. But yeah, so I'm super excited. I keep saying that, I gotta find a new phrase, but yeah, so it should be a grand old time. This resort is very beautiful. We're at the Tulum. But yeah, I will let you guys know when we get to the boat. We're going on the boat. I'll see y'all on the boat.
Your love, yeah. Girl, you super bad, college grad, working bags. You got what they wish they had, and I know you got the drugs. So I'm saying, know how deep is your love?
Can it be me? Can it be us? Can it be real?
Okay, so here's our boat. I'm gonna do this.
Please do not be alarmed. Remain calm. Do not attempt to leave the dance floor. The DJ booth is conducting a troubleshoot test of.
With a little bit of lust. Remember the time spitting the verse on the back of the bus. Do you remember what started it? I paint a picture of all of it. I don't care what they was calling it. We had a feeling it's hard to get. I give you just what you need. You give me what I believe. Nothing is good could be free. I'm ready to spend everything on you. Can I be me? Can I be on? Can I be the one that you want? Can I be him? Can I be lit? Can I be the one that you with? Can I be the one that you call? Or can I be the one that you sleep with? And if I pass you these secrets about my love, would you keep it?
Right now, I'm sitting at the dinner table with the girlies. We got back from the boat. I changed clothes because my clothes were still a little damp from getting in the water, which I didn't get to get on camera because my camera died. I did not get to get me getting in the water on camera because my camera died and I did not bring backup batteries. Duh. But yeah, so we're sitting at like dinner at the resort, but the girlies are still trying to go out to like a beach club. I might go. I don't know yet. I probably will just for the experience, but I'm a little tired. And it's a club, so I don't club, but yeah. All right. I think what I heard was just we're at Taboo. Friendly guys, not muscle friendly. It is our last full day here at the resort. So we're just at breakfast. Today is a spa day / chill day and hoping to soak up some of this Mexican sun. And I'm gonna show you guys breakfast. Hold on. So this is my second round. I had some stuff earlier. So these are some, like, I don't know, tacos or something. But I got mushrooms and cheese and this spicy sauce on them and then plantains. But earlier I had more tacos, fruit, some type of sweet bread. It was good. And then I had that cappuccino that I showed you guys. Should be a great day and I will let you guys know when something else fun happens.
is your
Is it
love?
real? Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Break it down. Oh, I forgot that you perfect. How deep is your love? See, I'm the type, when you the one that I like, give you a verse every night, just let me write, you're such a beautiful sight, you know you look like a wife, show me inside, show me the feelings you hide, I like you right in your eye, ain't know you were shy, but do you got papers to buy, cause I ain't a regular guy, cause I can even roll them beats, everybody notice me, see this pain in my heart, and you know it's deep, keeping you close to me, like it's supposed to be, everybody knows the streets ain't got no more LOVE, it's not for free.
I got my phone. We're at the spa. Say Mexico. Mexico.
How deep is your love? Yeah, baby, I ain't asking for no friend. This for me. Got your boy about ready to give you everything. Oh, girl, how deep is your love? Yeah. Girl, you super bad, college grad, working bags. You got what they wish they had, and they know you got that drugs. So I'm saying, know how deep is your love?
I've never been in a sauna before, so let's see. So we just came from the spa. I'm about to go in on this coconut shrimp and this carrot. Let's see what it tastes like. I like that. The spa was amazing. That was my first time doing 80 minutes, and I really liked that. I feel very babied, you know. I feel like I could take a great nap by the ocean over there on the cabana thing. So we'll see what the night holds, but your girl is living. I just left the, I'm not bringing that bag if you want to use it either. We just left the spa and lunch. We're about to go out and ride bikes around the town just before it gets dark, because I just want to explore downtown, or not downtown, but like that little strip area. So I'm not gonna bring the camera because I just don't want to have a lot of stuff on me, and I'm also trying to worry about this bike. So yeah, I will try to get a few videos on my phone, and I'll maybe just put them in somewhere. But yeah, the actual camera's gonna stay at the hotel for now. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. You can get Ray-Bans in the States. You can't get Japanese glasses in the States. These are...
I wonder, are they like cheaper here?
Pero vas a dar la mitad del precio. Por eso, ¿quieres este?
Hola. Looks good.
Noches, ¿cómo están esta noche?
It's our last
Hello,
night in
ladies and gentlemen.
Tulum. We're
How are you
having
tonight?
dinner. We're gonna have a, you're having like a Mexican
yes, two
festival.
tables. Where is the
Is this
people, the other
mine
people?
or yours?
One more time. Una vez más.
Water
esta noche?
and
How are you
pina colada,
tonight?
no alcohol.
Okay.
I got tortilla soup. This is Mexican pumpkin, Mexican rice, pico de gallo, and an empanada made with mushrooms.
Yeah?
Hola. I woke up come out here. I didn't make the sun rise, but I kind of want to just come out here early before the rip and run of the day, to just try at least to be alone with my thoughts and appreciative for everything that Allah has given me and how beautiful He has created the world to be. And I'm blessed that I get to travel it. If you stuck around to the end of this vlog, I appreciate you. If you have any questions about Tulum or the resort that we stayed at, just please feel free to drop them in the comments. So I also wanted to take a few minutes to kind of answer a few questions that I just, not even questions, but like things that I feel like would be useful knowing come to Tulum. So one of the biggest things is, even if you're at an all-inclusive resort, if you want to go off the resort, you're gonna need to take the cab or a taxi. And in my experience, those were very expensive, like even in dollars. Like I'm talking more expensive than what I feel like an Uber ride would be. So we're hitting like for 10-15 minutes down the road, we're gonna hit with like $50, 3-4 people in the car. So bring a lot of and a lot of the cabs or taxis, they act like they don't want to accept card. So be mindful of that having your card may not work. Most places accept dollar bills, so if you give someone like an American dollar, they'll convert it for you. And speaking of American dollar, every place, restaurant, club, it seems like has their own conversion. So some places divide the US dollar by 17 Mexican pesos, so $1 equaling 17 pesos, or some do 18, some do 19. I've even seen some do 20. So you really just have to ask how much, what their conversion rate is. Always try to bargain, especially with the cab driver. Like I didn't pick this up until like the literally last 2 cab rides, but like they'll say 40 and I'll say 20, por favor, 20, and then they go, okay, 35. And even though it's only $5, like I'm gonna take it, okay? Other than that, I don't feel like I was played by anyone. I don't feel like someone tried to like get over on me, or you know, I didn't feel unsafe. Like I didn't feel unsafe. I felt comfortable. I even took the bikes into town, as y'all saw, and it was like maybe a mile away from the hotel, but it was nice, kind of like just seeing that. So in that time I felt safe. Now I did go while it was light outside, so maybe that made a difference, but overall it's been an amazing trip. I'm very glad I came, and I don't think this will be my last time in Mexico, even if it's not Tulum, and it's goodness, what's the other place, Cancun, but I don't think it's gonna be my last time in Mexico. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!